Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to do a quick overview. This week, you're going to start reading the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. If you look at the calendar, you will be reading the foreword. You'll be reading the part 1, Habit 1 and Habit 2. This unit is 2 weeks long, and part of the reason is because the text that you're going to be reading is about, let's see here, it's 144 pages. So you have quite a bit of reading. I do want to stress the importance of reading the foreword. That's at the very beginning of the text that you should have. As you can see, I've taken some notes, done some check marks throughout and everything. And I just want to read some information that really kind of explains why I have you doing the different reflective activities for this text. On page 12, again, of the book, of your text, 2 sentences that really kind of got me. They're not in the last paragraph, it's the paragraph before the last one. And it says, and most important, start applying what you are learning. Remember, to learn and not to do is really not to learn. To know and not to do is really not to know. I think it'll make more sense to you, those words, as you go through the text and you actually read it. But that is part of the reason why I have you doing these reflective activities, is because you can read this information and you can think, oh, this is great. But if you don't actually reflect on it and consider what you can do with this information, how it can help you become a professional, how it can help you get a work-life balance, how it can help you decide what's important in your life and so forth, then you're really not getting much out of it. And so that is the purpose of the reflective journals that are tied to your 7 Habits text. So please take your time, read through it. The reflective questions that you'll have to answer are actually some of the questions that are at the end of each section. So you can, as long as you're able to answer all the questions that are at the end of the text, then you'll be fine to be able to answer your reflective journals. And just remember that you and I are the only ones who are going to read that unless you decide to share it with somebody else. But these are not discussions. These are reflective journals that you'll complete to really have you reflect on how this information can be used, how it can be helpful to you, both as a professional, as a person within a community, as a person who has a family, who has a life. So just really kind of consider this on multiple aspects, multiple levels, not just professional, but also personal and so forth. So I hope you enjoy the text for this week. And of course, if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day.